So let's light up our cooking stove. We make some tea. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. It's another amazing day that God has made, and welcome to my village. So, yeah, it's time to make breakfast. We've just woken up, and we're so energetic. In this channel, we spread positive vibe, guys, and we spread a lot of love. So, if it's your first time here, welcome again. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. I don't take it for granted. I love you so much. I appreciate you so much. So she's making tea today. She's the one who is on duty. In this house, people have duties. Yeah, so it's our time today to make breakfast. This is our cooking stove. You can see it. She's lighting it up so that we have breakfast and then have other things to do, guys. It's another beautiful morning. Yeah, so if it's your first time, I'm African Princess Milka, guys. And I come from Kenya, eastern side of Kenya. That's where I come from. And also, Kenya is in East Africa. Yeah, guys. So, yeah, welcome again. I'm making tea for you so you can enjoy the video. Don't forget to click the like button, the comment section. Let me know what other video you would like to see from my village. And also, let me know where you're watching from. Don't forget also to subscribe, guys. It's free to subscribe on our channel. Yeah. So let's continue. Let's wait for the cooking stuff to light up so that we make some tea. Yeah, it's African tea anyway. So yeah. So this is our African tea. We're waiting it to boil. Yep. Just milk, water, and tea leaves. Hey, I'm so hungry, guys. Yeah, so let's wait for it to boil. And our cooking pots. Today we're not using the fireplace. This is what we're using because we didn't have time to go look for firewood in the morning. Yeah. So guys, our tea is ready. As you can see, it's boiled. It's time to serve it. So this is our African tea. You know, it's already boiled. So let's go sit and enjoy. Welcome guys, and have breakfast with me. Yep. Don't mind my eyes. I didn't sleep well. I was editing your video so that you guys can enjoy. I feel so tired actually. I feel like after tea I'm going to sleep a bit and rest, but I have to make more videos. So yeah. So guys, as I told you, this is our chicken hut. This is where the chicken sleep. I know it's a bit spoiled. It needs some repair, but we don't have much chicken right now. We've been eating some selling, but I told you it's in the village, so we're having everything organic. We're not going to buy like eggs at the shop. No. So let me check if there are eggs in this place. This place. We have one chicken inside here. Okay. Our house looks a bit spoiled, but it needs some good repair. So that's the chicken here. Actually, they are eggs. You see? So I want to make some pancakes with this. They look so small, but they'll help instead of going to buy eggs in the shop. So let's make pancake for breakfast. Yeah. So see you in a few. So guys, it's time to make breakfast. That is pancake with our eggs from the from the chicken. Who loves pancake? For me, I love pancake, guys. Eva, indoscale. So the kids are home. I decided to make some pancakes for them. Actually, are they kids or even they are teenagers?
Biasanya najua antiroka.
We add some sugar. So it's time to make our pancake. My mixture is already set, as you can see. So let's make yummy yummy in the tummy. Yummy yummy in the tummy. I don't know if in your homes you have that one old cup that you put cooking oil in the village. I know you guys have that one cup. For us, we have this one. It's one of the old cups in the house. So we put some cooking oil. It helps to measure the cooking oil so that you cannot use much of it. You know. So yeah, our pan is cooking is getting heated up. It's a bit heavy, so let's see if it's there are some parts that it's still not hot. So guys, our pancakes are ready. You see? Yummy yummy in the tummy. Yummy yummy in the tummy. Welcome all guys. Welcome, welcome. We have breakfast. Yeah. So we done. They are ready. It's time to eat. Sit, relax, enjoy. With the cooking, it's time to just sit, relax, and enjoy with my chief chef, the chef of the tea. The one who made tea. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed watching it. You know, it's such a vibe that you guys always come back to enjoy my videos. I just appreciate. So welcome all. Let's have breakfast. Here it is, guys. Some tea and some pancakes. Welcome all. There's someone who is behind the camera who is waiting for that moment to grab these pancakes. But anyway, guys, my other nephews went. They are not around. So it's just the three of us, me and my nieces. We are the ones at home. So let's just sit under this amazing tree here, enjoying the breeze from the hill up there. And guys, I hope wherever you are, you enjoying yourself. So guys, until next time, we are out. Peace. I love you all. Then bye. I know that you. Bye, guys.